Hello everyone, my name is Neethi Mahesh. I'm here to introduce you to an initiative called Our River Alive. It is essentially a citizen-centric movement which envisions monitoring and protection of our waterways through community participation. The initiative, which has its roots in Coorg district, is currently incorporated into the existing Eco Club curriculum for government schools, which are located in close proximity to the river, as you can see on the map. This ensures participation and lends a voice to children who are an integral part of the landscape. So children in this sense share their experiences and knowledge of surrounding spaces in relation to the river Kaveri. The initiative also provides hands-on experience, testing the water quality of the river with simple and easy to follow tests to give them an understanding of how various anthropogenic activities are affecting the river, thereby acting as a crucial learning and monitoring tool. So moving ahead, it only made sense to scale things up. So the initiative is now dedicated to creating a citizen science platform for stream and river monitoring efforts, thus facilitating a voice for citizens by means of water quality testing, landscape monitoring, and observations on flora and fauna along with visual media documentation. The goal is to provide seamless data sharing with geospatial data to give it perspective and focus, bringing waterways the much needed attention that is required. A wide array of approaches can be applied to stream and river monitoring, but more often various factors contributing to river health are intertwined with each other. This approach takes into consideration a broad spectrum of activities one can engage in, contributing to research and monitoring efforts which can lead to location-specific solutions which are more practical in nature. The philosophy and science of it emphasizes on learning together to better understand and respect the lifelines that support our very existence through physical, chemical, biological and socio-ecological elements that make up our riverscapes. I'm quickly going to run through the Android app and its functions. You can basically start by registering your mobile number, which takes you to the screen with 6 different steps which you can view independently to get a better idea of the data that you can collect. Step 1 collects general information such as activity date, activity time, name and location, and then we move on to step 2, which collects basic observations such as the water level and of course your weather conditions. Step 3 ensures that all human activities are taken into consideration, which of course you can also add to if your option is not found on the list. And step 4 is water quality testing with various different parameters such as water temperature, pH, alkalinity, nitrate, nitrite, hardness, chlorine, iron, dissolved oxygen, E. coli or coliform bacteria along with various other parameters. Step 5 is where the flora and fauna details come in, and step 6 is the options of images that you can upload because all the steps are converted into a PDF report which can then be shared or downloaded and is linked to the website for viewing. Moving to the website aims to provide tools and resources to initiate freshwater ecosystem monitoring on the ground, led by citizens and researchers alike. With river monitoring being one of the features, the website provides 3 other functions with flora and fauna observations, flood watch, and voices from the river. FloodWatch enables you to mark real-time flood alerts along with documentation such as images. Our aim is to bring visibility to the ground situation, taking into consideration your experiences. With climate change and an increase in flooding events, timely alerts can help inform citizens and authorities with map locations and visual media to monitor flooding in real time. Monitoring flooding events on a yearly basis can further help citizens, government authorities and scientists alike in bolstering disaster preparedness and flood response during the monsoon. With Flora and Fauna, you can help us discover and document the natural wonders of freshwater ecosystems through your eyes and lenses. Freshwater ecosystems have unique flora and fauna, so many of which are yet to be described or documented by science. With decades of alteration and modification of riverbanks and declining water quality in our freshwater ecosystems, it is challenging to understand the pace at which we're losing aquatic flora and fauna. With long-term monitoring, it becomes easier to assess the status of species, enabling conservation planning and action to help protect the river ecosystem as a whole. There are still many other features and functions of the website, but I'm going to leave you here with the website address and the search words for the Play Store app. And I really hope that you all get to explore the website and the app, and we look forward to seeing you on the platform. Thank you so much for your time.